In this video, we'll learn step by step how to build a professional landing page on Shopify, where we customize everything specific to our product. We'll add a beautiful product description and create bundles here, as we offer deals to our customers. We'll also include product-specific questions, warranties, and reviews. Then, we'll learn how to create appealing animations and start designing very attractive sections in our Shopify store, like the frequently asked questions section. Additionally, we'll learn how to add customer reviews and import them from AliExpress in the beautiful format you see in front of you. Now, the first step is to register on Shopify. You'll find the registration link in the video description, where you'll get 3 days for free and the first month for just $1 through the link provided. After registering, we'll enter our email in this area and then press Start Free Trial. Next, we'll enter our password and then click Create Shopify Account. Within a few seconds, our online store on Shopify will be created. Once you see this screen, you can click on Select Plan to activate this offer and get the first month for just $1. We'll click on Select Plan here, and Shopify offers many plans to choose from. We have the basic plan for $29, the Shopify plan for $79, or the advanced plan for $299. However, you can get any plan for just $1 for the first month. Choose the plan that suits you best. If you're a beginner, you can select the basic plan here, and as you can see, today it's free for 3 days, and starting next month, it will be billed at $1 for the entire month. After that, you'll need to pay the regular price for the plan you selected. Enter your card details here, including your first and last name, and then choose whether to subscribe and pay $1 for the first month. Alternatively, you can pay via PayPal here. Once you've done this, your online store will be activated. Our next step is to start working on the theme or select a theme. We'll click on Online Store here, then scroll down and choose the theme called Refresh, which is a free theme from Shopify. It's very beautiful, and we'll use it for this demonstration. Click on Add, and the theme will be added in this format. Once the theme is added, we'll click on Publish to make it the primary theme for our store in this area. Then, click Publish here again, and now our primary theme is Refresh. Our second step is to start adding products. Click on Products here, then Add your product here. Here, we'll write the product title or name, a brief description, upload images, and set the price. If we have inventory, we'll activate that option and enter the quantity. If not, we'll leave it unchecked. Here, of course, we can add information about the size or weight of the product. If we have different colors or sizes of the product, we'll start by clicking here and adding the sizes and colors. I added a product here, this is the product name. Then, I wrote a description for the product, and after that, I uploaded the product images. This larger image will be the main image, meaning if I want this image to be here, I just drag it like this, and it becomes the main image. Then, I added the product price, I'll sell it for this much, and the cost of the product is this much. I started adding the inventory of the product, and then I just pressed Save, and after that, I pressed Save Product. From here, I can see how my product looks like if I click on Preview, and it shows me this is my product. But I don't like this page, unfortunately. We want to start creating a very beautiful product page or make a very attractive and chic landing page for our product. We'll close this, and then we'll come here to Online Store, click on it, and then we'll scroll down to the theme called Refresh, and we'll click on Customize. From here, the theme opens up like this. Here, we can modify everything, all the texts and images in our store. From here, we can see how our store looks on mobile, how it will look like. We click here on mobile. Indeed, this is how our store looks on mobile. Of course, there are many more edits to be made on the store, but I'll summarize in this video that you can create a professional landing page on Shopify. We'll go up here to the home page, start by clicking on Products, and then we'll click on Default Product from here. It starts showing us our product page. I'll make my edits on the mobile since more than 95% of the visits to your store will be through mobile. You can edit on mobile and then come back and edit again on desktop or computer. The first thing with us is the notification bar. This bar can contain offers or discounts in our store. We'll click on it and it'll open up here. The first thing is the color scheme. Here, we'll choose the colors for this bar. We'll click on Edit from here, and then I'll come here to the background color. I want it to be black, so I can choose it from here. Then choose the black color. And I advise you, whenever you make a change, click on Save here so that you save all the steps. After that, I want to change the text inside this bar. I'll come here on the left, click on the notification bar, then click on this text. It'll open up here, the text inside the notification bar. I'll write that I have a discount and free shipping, for example. Then, I'll click on Save. And I'll come here to the header. We want to change the logo of our store. I'll come from here, click on Header, or I can come here from the left, Header. Then, I'll go down to Menu Color Scheme and click on Edit. I want to change the background of the header to white and keep the text inside black like this. I want it to look like this. Then, I'll upload the logo of our store. You can create a professional logo through Canva, which is free. We'll come here to Theme Settings, then we'll go to Logo, and then we'll upload the logo in this area. After we upload the logo, we'll choose and click on Done. The logo will be uploaded like this, then we'll click on Save. Then we start by going to the product page. I'll click on the product page here. In a color somewhat similar to gray in the background, I want the color in the background to be white. So, I'll come here to Scheme, click on Edit, and then I'll choose the background color to be white. Here, some things are unnecessary, like our store name. So, I'll click on it, it will start selecting it in this area, then I'll click on the eye icon here to hide it, and indeed, it disappeared. I'll also start hiding the price from this area, and I'll tell you later why I hid the price because I'm going to add something called a bundle. So, I'll suggest to the customer who will buy my product to buy 1 or 2 pieces and I'll start giving them a very good discount. So, I'll come here to the price as well and click on this eye icon to hide it, and also the quantity because as I said, I'm going to make a bundle, so I'll hide the quantity from here. I'll use it in the edition I'll start working on. Then, the description of the product. Unfortunately, I don't like the long description of this product. So, I might go back to the store, click on Save first, and then I'll come here, click on this Exit icon, and right-click and Open New Tab. It will open the store in a new tab here, and then I'll go and edit my product. This description is unfortunately too long. I want the description to be 3 lines with the benefits that will benefit the customer. I can take this description like this and then come to ChatGPT and ask it to make a short description of this product with 3 benefits, each benefit with an icon and each benefit with a maximum of 5 words. Then I'll put this description in parentheses and then click Enter. I really like this description that was written for me, so I can copy it like this, and then start putting it in this area. Then click on Save. Here I'll do a refresh again so that the data starts updating. This description is more beautiful and chic. And of course, the description of this product, I want to upload it right under the title or name of the product immediately. So, I'll start uploading it this way, so the title will be after that, then the description, then the buy button, then the share icon. I don't want this share icon to appear, so I'll hide the share icon. Then I'll come down from here, click on Add Block, and I'll come here to Collapsible Row, click on it. Of course, this can contain more information about my product. I'll choose to add 3 of them like this, meaning, for example, here I can come like this, and then edit from here, and say how the product works. I'll choose the icon to be a question mark like this. And the second thing I'll do, for example, is the warranties. I'll choose, for example, its emoji to be a heart, and here I can add shipping and returns information. Here, I'll choose the icon for it to be a truck. Thus, the questions and their answers will be, of course, in this area. Like this store, if we zoom in here, you'll start to see that he wrote the warranties here, then the shipping, and then the warranty with the product. So here, for example, I can come on how the product works, and start adding content like this. As soon as the customer clicks on this icon, it starts writing for him here, how does this product work? And then you write the warranties here and write the shipping and returns information here. After editing this data, we will now add a very nice application to Shopify that will also help us make the product page better than before. We'll come here and start going to apps. Then we'll search for Theme Sections, and then click on Search here. Theme Sections by Sections Pro. I'll leave the link for you below in case you can't find it. Then we'll click on Install here, and then click on Install again. Here you'll find many sections that you can add, like before and after, and icons, and you can add videos with texts. There are many things available for free that you can use. You'll find free sections here, click on it, or click on free sections here, and scroll down until you find testimonials grid. Click on it, and we'll start adding customer reviews with it. It's very important to add customer reviews to your product to add more credibility. Click on Publish, and then of course, select our theme, and then click on Publish again, and then click on Done. Then we'll go back down until we find Trust Badges, which are very important. Click on it, and then we'll start adding them. Click on Publish, and then click on Publish section, and then click on Done. After that, we'll go back to our theme and save all the changes we made first. Then we'll reload, and then we'll come to this area and click on Add section here. And we'll start scrolling down here to find the things we just added. We'll start by choosing Trust Badges to start adding them in this area. I don't need all of these things. I just need 2 or 3 of them. First, we'll choose from here to have 3 in a column or 4. Let's choose 3 like this, and 3 will appear in front of me. Then we'll scroll down completely and start selecting the badges we want from here. If you have free shipping, leave it, and if you have, for example, a money-back guarantee, you can leave it. I'll leave the first 3 and then remove all the others like this. I really like these. And then click on Saved here. As we learned before, we'll start dragging it under the information of this section so that it's closer, like this. And as you can see, there's an empty space here, so we can start from here and choose padding top to be, for example, 0. It will start raising the badges slightly. I can choose the area below it to be, for example, 10, so it's reduced a little. Likewise, in the rest of the sections inside this, I can, for example, raise this image a little from here by selecting top padding from here and choosing, for example, 20. It will start raising the product image for me, and it will reduce the space below. Then we'll create another section and go down and choose testimonials from here. Click on it, and it added the section for customer reviews. Then click on Add Testimonials from here. Now you'll see where we start putting images and customer reviews. Click on it from here, and you can upload a customer review image from here. Of course, you can choose free images from here. Click on it, and for example, since this product is related to women, I'll click on Women's here, and I can choose any image from this area. Let's choose this image and then click on Select. And from here, you start writing the customer's review. Here, of course, we can write the customer's name. I can start selecting this name and then click here so that it becomes a bit bold. And of course, the star shape from here, its color is black. If I want it to be in the well-known golden color, I'll come here to Testimonials and then click on it. Then scroll down to Highlight Color from here. I'll start clicking on it and then add the golden color code here. So I can come to the search here, type gold hex, then copy the golden color code and paste it back in this area. Just like that, the star color changed to golden. After that, we'll come here and add a section and choose multi-row from here. Of course, 3 will come down like this. We'll start by clicking on it like this and then come here to Mobile Layout and then click on Center so that all the data remains centered, as you can see in front of you. Then I want to delete the button that's in each one of them. I'll click on each one of them, then remove the button data from here. Then click here on multi-row again in this area. After that, I'll come here and click on Container Color Scheme, and then click on Change. Let's choose one of these, let it be number 5, and then I'll start adjusting this red color. From here, click on Edit and choose my background and then choose the color I want from this area. Let's say I chose this color. Your color will be aligned with the primary colors of the store. After that, we need to add some images and animated images for our product. We can get them through TikTok, or if you have videos, we can convert them into animated images. I'll now explain the steps in detail. You start by searching TikTok for your product name, or if you have ready-made videos as I told you, you can use them. For example, I'll choose this video, and I'll choose this one too. I'll choose to convert them into animated images. First, I need to download these videos. I'll copy the video link and go to a website called Snapit. Here I'll paste the video link and then click on Download. After that, I'll download the second video I'm going to use and click on Download. Now I have downloaded both videos. The next step is to convert these videos into GIF images. I'll go to a website called sgf.com. First, we need to crop these videos because TikTok videos are vertical, but I need them to be square. So, I'll click on Crop from here and start uploading the first video. Then, after the video is uploaded, I'll come down and choose a square from here. Then, I'll start selecting a part of our video in a square shape. For example, I need this part to be cropped. Then I'll click on Crop from here. If we go down, we'll now see that our video is cropped in a square shape instead of the rectangular shape above. Another step is to convert it to a GIF. So, we'll start by choosing to GIF from here. Start playing your video and choose 5 seconds. Just choose 5 seconds from this video. For example, I'll choose from the second number 3 to the second number 8. We'll start scrolling down here and choose our size 400 by 400 from here, and then we'll start clicking on Convert to GIF. Indeed, it converted the image into an animated image for me. Of course, it will be faster and better than the actual video. The most important thing for me is that its size is less than 5 megabytes. After we finish, we'll start coming here and click on Save. It will start downloading the animated image for us in this format. The most important thing, as I told you, is less than 5 megabytes. If it's larger, start reducing the time period here until it's less than 5 megabytes. If we open the animated image, as you can see now, the image quality is very good and it explains how our product works. We'll start doing the same steps for the second video, and thus, I converted the second image. Then I'll click on Save after downloading both images. Then we'll return to our store. We'll start by clicking here on the first section and choose the image from here, and then start uploading the image here. Here, I uploaded the first image, then scroll down and select the second image. I uploaded the second image, and here, of course, I can either add a regular image or an animated image. After that, we need to start editing the texts here. The sentence above is not important, I'll remove the caption. Then I'll start writing a description for this image or a description for the product and write a title. For example, I'll write the title in this way, and I'll start changing the description from this place. Then we'll scroll down completely, and we can also add customer reviews in this area. So we can come to Add section and scroll down to choose Testimonials from here and then Add Testimonials from this area. We'll start by choosing this and then choose a customer like we did last time. Explore here and then choose, for example, any image. I like this image, so I'll click on Select. Then in this area, I'll click on it and click on this color, and I'll start choosing the golden color, for example, and then adjust the other things. We'll come here and click on Testimonials, and edit the customer's review and customer's name, and I'll start making it bold to be a bit thicker. For example, I'll start choosing that this customer said this text, and then I'll start choosing the customer's name from here. Then I'll scroll down here and choose Add section. This time, I'll start choosing all of them as collapsible content, which is the area where I can add frequently asked questions, FAQs. I'll come here at the title and start writing FAQ. Here, of course, you can write frequently asked questions and start answering them. You can use chat to help you write frequently asked questions. If you want to add a new question, you can click here to add a new question. It will start adding a new question for you. Inside each question, you'll start coming here and choose a question mark and start writing the answer to the question. This is the question, and this is the answer to the question. Then you'll start repeating the steps for the other questions. Every time you take a step, start clicking on Save from here. Now we need to add below in the area under the customer reviews. We'll come here and go to APPS and start searching here for Trusto and choose Trusto or search for it. This is the application we'll use. I can leave you its link in the video description. We'll click on it, and as agreed, we'll install from here. After that, we'll click on Install again. It will start asking you very basic questions. We'll start clicking on Import here. Here, we can fetch reviews from AliExpress. We'll click on Import from here. Here, we'll paste the link of our product on AliExpress. We'll start searching for our product's name and then go to Orders here to get products with orders, so we can take many reviews from them. I found, for example, that this product has 11 reviews. I'll start copying its link. Then I'll come here and paste the link. After that, I'll click on Import Reviews and save, and now it has imported 11 reviews. Of course, we'll try to complete them to 21st. So we'll go to other pages for the same product and start taking reviews from them. We'll come here and import them. Then we'll come to the dashboard here and scroll down to click on Enable, and of course, we'll click on Install from here. So our widget has been installed in this way. After we refresh, we'll start clicking on Add section from here and go to Apps. Then we'll click on Review widget. It will start adding reviews or customer opinions to us in the way that appears in front of you. And if there are pictures, it will also start adding them in this way. After that, we'll click on Save from here. Then we have a very nice application that we're still going to add called Catching Bundle. So we can start adding bundles for our product, where the customer, if they buy 1 piece or 2 pieces or 3 pieces, we start giving them offers. I'll leave you its link in the video description. We'll start clicking on Install from here. It will give you 14 days for free from this link, and then, of course, it will cost around $15 per month. This application can make you very profitable if you know how to use it correctly. We'll click on Install from here, then click again on Install, and then click on Create a Deal from here to start creating our first bundle. We can create our bundle like this, where it can be vertical or horizontal, side by side, 1 piece, 2 pieces, or 3 pieces, as you like. I like it this way, so I'll choose a bundle name here, and of course, I can change the sentence name, bundle, and save from this area. And from here, I can choose a specific product. I'll choose a specific product from here, and let it be this product that I'll bundle. I'll click on Select and start scrolling down here to change things in the deals area. Everything will start pricing your products. Here, I can write, for example, single, and here 2 pieces, and here 3 pieces, and start giving it a price and a discount price. For example, here I can say you get a 10% discount or 15% or 20%, and here also, for example, a 20% discount with every piece he buys, he gets a higher discount. I can change all this data from this area, and then, of course, I have here where I can change the colors to match the colors I chose before. This shape is rectangular. I can make it a bit circular like this, which I really like. And here, I can choose the color of the edges, change it to this beautiful shape. The shape looks a bit nicer like this, and I can also change the title color from here in this way. Of course, you can change everything. Then we'll click here on Publish, and it's very important to activate the application. It will be clear in front of you like this. We'll click on Save from here, and we've activated it. If we go back here to the product page, we'll reload again and find our bundle clear and visible like this. The customer can choose 2 or 3 pieces and start buying the product. Now, if we want to change the color of the purchase button, we'll click here and select Product Information from here. Then we'll go and click on Edit, and then select the color of the button, this one, and start choosing our color to change the appearance of the purchase button to match the landing page colors. Then we'll click on Save, and now we've managed to create a professional landing page. My channel is dedicated to e-commerce and creating online stores. If you want to learn more about Shopify, subscribe to the channel and watch all the videos available on the channel to build a professional online store. If you need anything, let me know in the comments. I wish you a happy journey in e-commerce. Goodbye.